Phuket is among the world's finest beach destinations, with fine white sands, nodding palm trees, glittering seas, and lively towns. In this video, you will get to know the top things to do in Phuket. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification. Let's get into the video now. The Phi Phi Islands are an archipelago of 6 islands. Just a 45-minute speedboat trip from either Phuket or Krabi, these picture postcard islands are excellent tropical getaways in Southeast Asia. Experience your own slice of paradise on this full-day island-hopping trip that will introduce you to the wonders of the Phi Phi Islands. Enjoy the glittering azure waters and white, pristine beaches of Maya Bay, the tropical location featured in the Hollywood movie The Beach. Whether you want to snorkel, relax on the beach, or take a refreshing swim, the island is yours to enjoy. Visit the world-famous James Bond Island, locally known as Khao Ping Khan. The island's mushroom-shaped rock featured in the 1974 James Bond movie The Man with the Golden Gun, and hence the name James Bond Island. Discover a unique and hidden world as you weave your way through a network of brilliant crystalline limestone caves in your sturdy canoe. Explore the natural wonders of Hong Island on a kayak. Phuket is also famous for its great nightlife. Enjoy the nightlife in Phuket's walking street. The street is filled with nightclubs, dance bars, go-go bars, restaurants, street food, and massage parlors. This is one of the must-visit places in Phuket. Patong Beach is the most popular, busiest, and most crowded beach in Phuket. The beach is located inside Phuket town. You can rent beach chairs and umbrellas, get a tan, go for a swim in the sea, and do water sports. There are plenty of massage options in Phuket. You can get a wonderful Thai massage in the shores of Patong Beach for a very minimal fee. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you in another video. Thank you.